This is this neat little gadget that cores and slices and peels the apple all at once. This is how we get the apples ready to dehydrate them. It makes the process much more efficient. One apple peeled, cored, and sliced, ready for dehydrating. This is how fast it goes. This is the dehydrator. It's blowing warm air over the apples to draw out the moisture. We will check them in about 24 hours to see if the dried apples are crispy yet. So our dehydrators have been turned off and cooled down now. So this is me about to taste test the apple chips. They are very crunchy, which is the way I like them.